You might put one, two magnets next to each other. Hey.
Brother Jason, how are you doing, my friend?
Okay.
God, it's good.
What are you doing?
I know I look like I got a train wreck here, but yeah, man, is this gorgeous or what? Is this what you'd envisioned?
It is.
Man, this is awesome. So give me the hours. What are we doing? So today is Thursday. You and I are just visiting today, but tomorrow, 3 to 7, what?
3 to 7. Come by, get some pizza. We're training everybody, trying to work out the kinks.
How soft an opening is it?
I don't know. I mean, that all depends on how many people show up.
Are there free samples? What
Yes.
do we do?
Oh,
Really?
Free samples.
Oh,
free
really?
pizzas, yeah.
Wow.
Come on by. Just say you saw it on the channel here, and we'll get you a pizza.
But be gracious. We're putting it together, right? I mean, what my point is that, you know, go easy on us. We're still putting it together. We're still working with a new crew, new guys,
Yeah.
new equipment.
While supplies last.
While
Tomorrow.
supplies last. Take me on a tour. Take me on a tour.
Sure. All right. Come on.
Brought to you by Janae Cook, Taylor Realty Group, 501-617-9747. Don't delay, call Janae. Brought to you by M-Force Capital, Joanna Horton at M-Force Capital, 501-922-9259. Your local professional in Hot Springs Village. And literally like your good neighbor, Ike Eisenhower, your State Farm agent. Your good neighbor is there, 501-984-4100. We're just visiting today, but tomorrow, 3 to 7, what?
3 to 7. Come by, get some pizza. We're training everybody, trying to work out the kinks.
How soft an opening is it?
I don't know. I mean, that all depends on how many people show up.
Are there free samples? What
Yes.
do we do?
Oh,
Really?
Free samples.
Oh,
free
really?
pizzas, yeah.
Wow.
Come on by. Just say you saw it on the channel here, and we'll get you a pizza.
But be gracious. We're putting it together, right? I mean, what my point is that, you know, go easy on us. We're still putting it together. We're still working with a new crew, new guys,
Yeah.
new equipment.
While supplies last.
While
Tomorrow.
supplies last. Take me on a tour. Take me on a tour.
Sure. All right. Come on.
Oh, wow.
Lots of
Beautiful and clean and sanitary.
all checked out.
So tell me how we start. So you get an order where? It shows up on the screens.
Yep, that's right.
Okay. We get an order here.
Yep. We'll have our dough right here. We've got different styles of dough. We've got pan dough, or small, medium, and large. We'll have cornmeal on the table, and we'll just scoop out the dough, stretch it out, put it on the screen, and sauce it, top it in the oven, and we're gonna have your pizza out in 10 minutes.
In 10 minutes. Wow. Oh, this is so nice, Jason. Man, this got to be the fulfillment of everything you've wanted. This is so sweet, so sweet. So, and it comes through the oven in about how long? About 10 minutes, you say?
All together, from start to finish, 10 minutes.
Really?
So the oven will cook it in 6 minutes.
And you're going to keep mine warm up here on the top, right?
Now we'll keep yours warm right here.
Over here in the heating trays, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so these are heated. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's very cool. And, okay, we've talked about this. I have yet to do the show. I've got it in the can. We just hadn't finished it yet. But your favorite pizza is what?
It depends on the day. So, I mean, but, anything with spinach and chicken.
Right. And your doctor wanted you to have the Asiago, what?
Asiago.
Asiago.
Asiago Parmesan.
So it's kind of a substitute for salt.
Sure. It is, all cheese is salty.
All cheese is salty.
But you
I
can
got it.
use less and still get a pack of, the cheese flavor.
Wow,
Right?
wow.
Instead of loading it up with mozzarella and provolone, you just
Man,
take
this
off
is-
some of those.
This is just so nice and new and beautiful. This is awesome. And if I can come back around here for a sec, I see that there's several parts to this, but the last part is how do we get here? Where are we going, right?
Right.
So this is the how you get there map and the delivery map and what?
That's one of them. Yeah. Yep. That's
Wow.
pretty much it.
So recap for me. We're going to deliver from
So this store will get from Carmona.
Carmona, not the POA.
Yeah, and this one will go all the way to Carmona.
Uh-huh.
So the other store will stop at Carmona.
At Carmona.
And then we'll pretty much go south from there. We'll catch all the way through the gate, right just outside the gate. We'll be able to get Baco
Right.
ZK and businesses out there. The beach, if you're golfing,
Wow.
we'll bring it right out to you.
Well, ish. We're not going to come to the third hole, but okay, meet me at the third green, right? Yeah.
Right.
But so let's recap real quick. So basically from Carmona to the edge of the village. Phone number is 501
226
226
6800.
6800 for your hot piping pizza. And pizza and salads and sandwiches and a whole lot more,
Wings
right?
And wings and chicken and
Are you getting any
Pasta.
sleep? I'm just curious.
no. 30 minutes.
Here, I do want to show one other thing real quick while we wrap up here. You've got these displays, and this is cool. But I know one of the other things you do is that when you make an order or make an offer or a bundle, it comes with a soda or a root beer or a Dr. Pepper or a Sprite or whatever.
That's right.
Oh, man.
And we keep them cold.
Yeah. This is just so neat, and man, everything looks like everything's been thought of. So does corporate come in and set this up for you, or what do you do?
No, I mean, we designed it. They give us the guidelines that we have to follow. And, and I design it to what I feel is going to be best for this situation.
And having done this for a couple of days, how long have you been on the West End?
Let's see, I moved here in 2000, so I've been part of this store, out that store.
We're right about the same veteran. We got about the same number of rings on our tree in
Yeah.
each one here.
Yep.
So
And
obviously,
stores
you can call in, or you can do this online.
do it online. You can download the app, Domino's.com.
Right.
Go to the website, order there. Lots of different ways to order it now.
Man, well, I just can't wait, and I know you can't either. But you need some sleep in between now and then, and you probably need to get that call too.
Yeah, probably I've got some tech people trying to call me.
Well, and what are we doing today here in the next few minutes?
We're getting our sign.
We're putting up a sign right out here at the corner.
Oh,
Yeah.
we got the sign up there and the sign on the building.
It's right beside the walking trail. You couldn't ask for a better location. You really couldn't. That Brandon guy, it's like he knows what he's doing.
Yeah, I didn't think of landscaping.
Oh, I was looking at the landscape. I was thinking, this is nice. This is really, I tell you what I really saw. I saw how beautiful the black asphalt is, and it's got the little white rock beside it, and I parked the little Yoda over here, and I got out, and there were like 2 or 3 rocks that were on the asphalt, and I thought, let me kick those back on. Well, no, I mean, I'm serious. When it looks nice like this, you say, well, boy, we really ought to take care of this. This is beautiful. Man. Okay, so recap one more time. Today's Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, and from 3 to 7,
Yep.
free samples, soft opening.
Yep.
Be gracious, people.
right.
Be gracious.
And then we're open Monday, the 18th. We'll be open
What time you open in the morning? 11?
10 a.m.
10 a.m.
We'll be, so our hours are Sunday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Yep.
Friday and Saturday, 10 a.m. to midnight.
To midnight. You can get pizza delivered in the village till midnight.
Yes.
Who would ever have thought it, Jason?
Yeah, that's great.
Jason, great to see you again.
Thanks.
You old rabble rouser, you. We'll see you. We'll see you tomorrow.
All right, take care.
Thanks, brother. Bye-bye. Don't delay. Call Janae. Janae Cook, Taylor Realty, 501-617-9747. Whether you're buying, selling, or just considering. Oh, we don't need a realtor yet. Yes, you do. Don't delay. Call Janae. 501-617-9747. Call 501-922-9259. Joanna Horton at M-Force Capital. She can offer a complimentary financial evaluation planning session just for you and your needs. Once again, 501-922-9259. And literally like your good neighbor, Ike Eisenhower, your State Farm agent. Your good neighbor is there. 501-984-4100. The Home Plate Cafe and Bakery. Great home cooking and an amazing bakery located just outside the gates of Hot Springs Village. 501-984-6969 or go through the drive-thru. The Midnight Tavern, Hot Springs Village only late night place that stays open till 2 a.m. Great music, amazing drinks, and Chef Jonna cooking for you every night. At 110 Colella Drive, Hot Springs Village, Arkansas, just across from the Call for information at 501-226-0078, 501-226-0078, or check them out on Facebook with all the latest entertainment. And by Domino's Pizzas, West and upcoming East. That's right, Domino's Pizza will have an East location mid-2026. Great food, great service, and 501-915-9595. 501-915-9595.
KVRE at 92.9 and streaming worldwide on iHeartRadio. KVRE is your family-owned local hometown radio station, so be sure and tune in for live local programming, news, sports, and information every day at 92.9. HSV Radio. HSV Radio is heard every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. or streaming on any of the major platforms. Hot Springs Village Radio is an eclectic mix of music, motivation, great music history, and Saturday morning fun. Join us every Saturday morning at 9 a.m., 92.9. Hot Springs Village only short-term rental with over 2,100 five-star reviews. All properties are lakefront. They include complimentary kayaks, hot tub, pet-friendly, and a stunning view of the lake. Visit DD Village Prop today for your vacation getaway.